Hi, Royalty. Okay, so I want to talk about trust really quick because the QweenBriRandom inside of me thought about I need to talk about trust. It's so hard to do. You can. This is what a lot of people do. A lot of people say that they do trust you, but they really don't. Or they say that they trust you and they are really like just trying to, not actually trusting you, but trying to trust you. That's not trust. Trust is when your spouse leaves, you know that your spouse is coming back to you and doesn't want nothing else but you, right? That's trust. Trust is being able to know the password and be able to use your spouse's phone, right? You're supposed to be known on social media. Well, it's kind of like you might not have to be shown, but it would be good to be shown. So I'm just praying that I can trust this person to trust. Does that make sense? Can you trust a person to trust without them cheating? How close is cheating? Sometimes, I told you, I'm random. So my brain just goes everywhere, and it's just going everywhere right now because it's just like trust is so stupid. I hate it. I hate that we have to trust somebody else to do something only in this generation because they don't care if they fucking hurt your feelings. They don't care if they're just in it for themselves. So if they want to be with you, they want to be with you. And then if they want to be with somebody else, they'll be with that other person. That is how it is in my generation. A millennial. One of those older millennials where you're like the parent of the millennial, but I have no kids. My my pets are my kids. Anyway, I keep playing with this because I don't like how it looks, but I don't want to stop recording shit. So when you trust, it's supposed to be like when the phone goes off, you're not worried about it's somebody that your spouse is talking to or your spouse's just whatever, anything bad that your spouse might be doing, and you have to worry about that, then that kind of means the trust is fucked up. And you can either work on it or you can say you're going to work on it and you're really not. I don't know. I think that it's just crazy how things can be sometimes with the jumble of things that happen with trust. It's just so gone. It's so gone. I've been told that I don't look at the camera, so now I'm looking at the camera, so I probably now look weird. 'Cause I just switched, probably. Still looking at my hair. So, yeah. I don't know what else to say. I really just wanted to just let it be out there to be known that when you say that you trust somebody, you better trust them. Don't let somebody walk away with a broken heart. Let them walk away because it's mutual or something. Like, don't hurt somebody because of trust. One thing that you do have is the power to say yes, no, lie, truth, whatever. It's up to you to respect that person and tell them how they are. If you're a trustworthy person, if you're not a trustworthy person, I don't know. Like, it just seems like nowadays everybody's an untrustworthy person. And I've even got accused of cheating. And the way that it's accused is just crazy because this person has done a lot of cheating and I still stayed with that person. Okay? And now in this situation, she sees that I've been talking to somebody while we were like in the midst of being together but not together type shit. Long story. So, yeah, I forgot where I was going. Oh, yeah. So, she sees something that she thinks is cheating, but I think it's just a ego thing more than a trust thing. So, it's like, anyway, so she gets mad at me and is like, now at that point, she doesn't trust me. And I'm like, wait, hold on. Through this relationship you had, cheated on me, and it was a literal cheat, you know. Everything doesn't have to be physical for it to be a cheat. And you think it was a cheat, and it really wasn't. And, dude, I'm trying to fix my wig. And so you get upset and want to be like, oh no, screw you, because you did something like totally minute, but you accepted me for all of this, but fuck that. I don't give a fuck about you or what you're going through. Basically, it's like she said, fuck you. So I'm like, all right, this is a serious, interesting situation. But, you know, there's plenty of stories that I can say. Because there's a lot of shit that has happened and gone on with me. But one thing that, like, that little tidbit was just a little example of, like, trust. Like, I accepted her for her cheating, and within that time, I ended up starting to trust her. Seriously, trust her. Like, know that when she's leaving because she's going to the store, or she's going this way, or she wants me to go with her places. It's a little different now in that situation. It twisted to where she says she didn't trust me. But you can't expect somebody to do what you did. So if you accepted that person and did what you did and was like, oh yeah, I'll take you back and blah blah blah, you can't expect the other person to do the same thing. That's not right. You did that. That was your decision. Their decision is that they don't want to do it. But the thing is that their decision is fucked up. That was a weird situation. But what the hell are you gonna do? So I'm going to sign off. I just had to just let this out because I am frustrated with the thought about trust. I've just been going down my timeline and just seeing problems. People with trust problems. Sucks. It really does suck. We need to, like, either we need to just keep it real. Just keep it real. I am signing off. By Royalty.